concept of the Center Science School started, right? It's hands-on science activities. Where we are not teaching them rules, principles, or whatever is science. We are just asking them to perform certain activities, discover on your own. Whatever. So instead of saying that कि हाँ न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ है, please go and mark it up and omit it into the examination paper. That is absolutely wrong. We are just training clerks. So which we should not do. We are not training their minds. We are not training their hands. So we are just making them कि हाँ पाठांतर करा, अभ्यास करा आणि marks आणा. Now that you can see situation. 90% ते फार मोठी गोष्ट राहिलीच नाही. Plus very easily 80, 85, 90% मुलं जातात. But what about their competitive exams, their skills, their thinking ability, their scientific approach? All these things they are lacking like anything. 90% समजांना काही विचार करता येत नाही. की म्हणजे त्या बुक्सच्या बाहेर विचार करणं होतच नाही. Just sir was saying it is the approach of the frog in a well. Frog in a well kind of आपण आपल्या मुलांना तसं घेऊन.
I would like to share one experience that one dedicated temperature indicator manufacturing company which I turned around actually. Then we used to take the interview of some engineers, okay, and I have no science background at all actually, but I have some basic physics things which I have learned during my say 9 to matriculation. I used to ask them that what is the Ohm's law. So they could not answer what is Ohm's law. If you make some variation, then this is something typical stereotype mugging up. So you have found out the gap, okay, and when you do something on the job, you absorb 90%. Okay, if I just give a lecture, then it absorbs 50%. Okay, if it is bit participative, then it gets enhanced and goes to 80%. But when somebody does it, okay, that is why there is a Chinese proverb that it don't teach a
person, don't give a fish to a person.
Ask show him how to, yeah.
You can go for fishing.
So it's a fantastic product. Now this is something in between. What I would like to say is that from marketing there are 3 terms. I am interrupting actually.
Yeah.
But these 3 terms are very important. That is what you have done. I will tell you in a marketing. There are 3 terms. That is need, then want. Okay. So this is and demand. These are the 3 terms which are really extremely necessary. Without which the product can be real. So what is need? The need is something that I am deprived of. Okay, that is something I become thirsty and I like that water I should have. Some kind of a drink I should have. Because physically, physiologically, I am feeling that is my need. I become hungry and then what happens is that I want some kind of a food. So this is something need. So need is something, if your product can satisfy the need, it is bound to get so. Okay, then comes to the want. So what is the form of it? So hunger satisfaction is my, under satisfaction is my need. But this I can do by this form in any form. That is, I can have vada pav, I can have burger, I can have McDonald's this or something like that. Okay, or I can have simple poha. So this is something what is called as a want. And demand is something that it is backed up by purchasing power. So want backed up by purchasing power is something considered as need. So now what she has done, that she has understood the gap. That is, students mug up, get the marks, but it has got very limited application, right? And they cannot in practice do anything. So this is something, so need doesn't get satisfied. What I mean is that, okay, that is the want is good, that is you get a book or you get information on the internet, but learning doesn't take place. Okay, so learning is the need. Okay, whereas this just transfer on a very, I would say, phonetic and phonemic. These 2 words are there. Phonetically, the things get transferred. So these are from linguistic. These 2 words are linguistic. For example, 2-year child or 3-year child, okay, sings a song that मैं प्यार करता हूँ, but he doesn't know anything of that. So when you know the meaning of the words, okay, then it becomes phonemic. Okay, and if I speak something by knowing the meaning of it, then it becomes this. These are prayers children do, but what do they understand from that? They don't do anything. Okay, so they keep on reciting it. That is the process in which the entire education is getting caught up. So you are very pinpointingly found out. So that is what I mean is that the product, when I went to product, so your product is going to satisfy the need of the student and therefore it will have a very good market.
See, research हुआ अभी जैसे global research हुआ where somehow they found that competitive logical thinking, scientific approach, scientific thinking, Indian students are second class. They are saying they are very good.
अभी मैं मेरे क्लास
To
में बताया था
entire world, Indian students are second class. Then what Indian government decided, we will not send our students to that exam. So instead of improving on the student, they are saying no, we are quitting the exam. That is a typical Indian approach which we should change. And somehow like I started teaching from Bishop's Kalyani Nagar, where I was teaching 9th and 10th. I went to like junior college, Kendriya Vidyalaya, 11th and 12th. So 11th में सबसे बड़ा यही क्वेश्चन होता था. फर्स्ट एग्जाम खत्म हुआ, मैम 10th में इसको 95 था, ये फेल कैसे हो गया? So ये जो gap, this gap is created. Parents really don't know marks कैसे आए. They really don't know because government policies ऐसी है कि बच्चों को marks आ रहे हैं. Somehow they are getting marks. Getting marks doesn't mean that they are learning. Exactly what is going on in their brain, you should find out. Are they really learning? Are they really thinking? Education is not making them literate. You should train their mind to think. If you can train their mind to think, definitely they will learn. And that training I think is given by hands-on science or hands-on maths. So I was telling, I will continue with the simple example. When we teach them Newton's third law, we are not telling them that this is a definition, these are the example, nothing. We will teach them, let us do an air push car. Now tell me how car is moving. Why car is moving? Why balloon car is moving? Because the air which is pushed, same and equal amount of propulsion is given to the car. Car will push the air will push the car. And that's why car will move. So this is action, reaction, next Newton's third law. Then we are concluding. So this is a Newton's third law. Now you understood how car is moving. Now you will understand what is a Newton's third law. Now you go and find out where it works. So that is what standard science is all about. So previously we were doing, like junior level, level 1 and level 2 programs. Now we have started approaching schools as well, where we will be giving school curriculum program, exact mapping with CBSE and state board for class 1, 10 to 12 activities, class 2, 10 to 12 activities like that for entire year. If school is agreed to take Sunday Science School as their program, so once in a 15 days, their teacher will be trained. Now we are training teachers. Their teacher will be trained for hands-on activities and we will be providing them training and entire material with notes and they can conduct Sunday Science School in their schools. So that is what like...
Your Saka, you tell now.
Yes. Now
Part.
Saka is our media partner in Pune. We are doing this project with Saka. So how many of you read Saka? Really? कितनों के पास Saka आता है? कल का Saka पढ़ा है आपने? कल जो टुडे Saka का सप्लीमेंट था उस पे न्यूज़ आया है about Sunday Science School. I will post it in our group today.
Yes.
So Saka is advertising for us. It is not advertisement. Saka is printing, a news kind of thing. Advertisement and news में बहुत difference होता है.
That is called as a publicity.
हाँ, जो वेटेज न्यूज़ का है वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट का नहीं होता. Saka is media partner. We are conducting many workshops with Saka. So in many different schools we are conducting workshops with Saka. Now we are conducting Sunday Science School with Saka in Pune with 11 centers. So throughout Pune we are having 11 centers and Saka is advertising for it. And Saka is our media partner. I will post the news. You just go through that news, which is like yesterday's newspaper only. Since from yesterday we got 150 calls. So it's really works.
And about your next plan, that course you have designed.
Now next thing we are designing one crash course for 10th standard. Very specifically for 10th standard, 4 days program, entire science will be covered, revision with hands-on science. So if 10th standard they are having chemistry, they are having periodic table, so they are having bio. So we will be giving them entire material from our side to perform experiments, to do projects and to learn things on their own. So that is our next project. Apart from this we have started with hands-on maths. जिस तरह से साइंस के प्रैक्टिकल्स होते हैं उस तरह के मैथ्स के भी होते हैं, but many people really don't know. I'm telling you NCERT या फिर स्टेट बोर्ड गवर्नमेंट से बहुत सारे फंड्स are coming to school. They do have very good math lab at their school, but no one is using because teachers are not trained. In fact, parents are also not aware कि maths lab होती है, maths के practical होने चाहिए, maths के project होने चाहिए. So that is our new project, and we are developing small kits for students and parents, which parents can sit with their kids and ask them to perform things. Maths kit, science kit. See, ये idea भी हम करेंगे. I just want to share. When I was on leave, मैं घर पे थी तो my daughter she used to eat me up. मम्मा कुछ करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं. I used to shout कि आप चुपचाप से बैठो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. Then I realized what am I doing? So the child is full of energy and saying I'm giving negative inputs. Don't do this, don't do that. And what that kid is going to do? Will sit in front of TV or take mobile and sit quietly. Then we have decided that we will do certain activities. Instead of saying ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, you as a parent should tell them कि क्या करना है. Guide them. So we started चलो ये करते हैं, science के experiment करते हैं, maths के worksheet करते हैं. Let us go out and find out something.
Can something be done for preschool level?
Preschool again we can do.
So you can think of this. You can add to your.
She has one more thing, like you conduct those workshop, na?
Yes.
Capsule workshop, where the charges are very nominal,
Yes.
and in societies they are effective.
We have that like customized product. For example, if some schools they have their budget only 100 rupees per student we can invest. So give us a program, hands-on science program for 100 rupees. We can do that one also. Along with this, we are doing CSR programs as well. Like जो ZP के स्कूल है, अगर हमें स्पॉन्सर्स मिलते हैं तो we are going like एशियन पेंट के साथ हम लोग कर रहे हैं. So एशियन पेंट के साथ एशियन पेंट is sponsoring our activities. So हम पुणे के आसपास जो ZP के स्कूल है वहाँ जाके वर्कशॉप लेते हैं. So these things also we are doing.
See, nowadays the companies have to spend
It's become
3% on CSR.
Yes.
So they can be your sponsors actually.
Yes. Companies can be our sponsors. We are having 2 products for companies. Direct conduct workshop in the school which they are selecting. Like in their vicinity, they should do all these activities. So जो स्कूल वो सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं उनके स्कूल में जाके वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट करें. अदरवाइज सेकंड प्रपोजल ना हुए गिविंग टू कंपनीज, वो स्कूल में हम परमानेंटली साइंस लैब बना के रखेंगे with that company name. For example, this kind of room will be there where all science project will be kept for demonstration. Student can visit the room, can learn and can keep it back. So like that also we are doing now.
You are already selling your products on Amazon. Those
Yes.
products. Just
We do have a website. We were selling these kits, science educational kits, goideal.in, and now we are selling it on Amazon, eBay, Snapdeal, and now we will be selling it with Flipkart as well. We are like in the that proposal is in file, so we will start with Flipkart as well. So we are selling. So it's a very big. मतलब what is my dream? मुझे क्या करना है telling you. जैसे हम छोटे थे तो कुछ मैगजीन्स आते थे घर पे, every month चांदोबा वगैरह टाइप ऑफ. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा टाइम आए कि every month one science kit is coming with detailed notes, detailed project worksheets, and students should perform. So correspondence course I want to do from it. So we will be designing correspondence course. Anywhere you are, like in India or out of India, you can order it online and you will get it with entire intelligent support from teachers. For example, आप कहीं अटक गए, we will be having our YouTube channel, our videos, whatever notes you need, and we will be supporting you in all ways.
You need to build organization for this.
Yes. Now we are like, associated with many people.
Right.
So like many people are coming, and now as they come to know Center Science School, so all are showing interest. They are coming. Parents are also. One thing I found in this product, 100% positive feedback from parents, and parents are also helping us. They are helping us very much because they can see the improvement in their student. Up till now, I have not got a single negative feedback from any parent. They are very happy. They are very satisfied. At least students started generating interest in their studies because study has become like burden हो गया है.
Sure.
हाँ, so for kids it has become burden. कि अगर ये नहीं किया तो मम्मा डांटेगी, पापा डांटेंगे, मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे. So why are you doing studies? Ask your parents. Why are you studying? आपके लिए कर रहा हूँ. You are not saying कि मेरे लिए कर रहा हूँ, तो आप डांटोगे, आप बोलते हो मुझे ये चाहिए, वो दोगे, इसीलिए आई एम नॉट स्टडिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ। वो उनको समझना चाहिए, दे शुड बिकम सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड। आई एम स्टडिंग फॉर नॉलेज, आई एम स्टडिंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, दैट इज व्हाट वी want to do.
Very
And
good.
you should
It's
understand.
very creditable to you that you have found out the gap, acted on that, made some products, and this is something what we mean by entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs really think in this.
Now we are looking for like a good team which can advertise for like which can advertise. Now see, we are like at R&D, we are research, we are doing research, we are developing things, but it should go to the final customer. That is what now we are working. If people are interested, if they can go to school, they can approach school, and if they can sell this to school, then we are looking for this kind of people.
One ratio you tell, what is the ratio of Wagoli and town you receive a response? Like you send a positive feedback. So I think the ratio in percentage you
See,
tell.
Wagoli, I conducted 2 workshops in Wagoli. One was
Yes.
like when India had launched Mars Mangalyaan, Mars orbital mission. That time feedback was very good. Okay, so that workshop went very well. But somehow parents are not aware. They are not aware about. उनको ये पता नहीं कि hands-on science क्या होता है. And their first concept, इससे marks मिलेंगे क्या? कितने मिलेंगे? कितना percentage बढ़ सकता है? That is their first concept. So that's what they should understand कि अगर बच्चा नहीं पढ़ता है तो भी मार्क्स कहीं ना कहीं से मिलेंगे। गवर्नमेंट ने उसको मार्क्स ऑलरेडी दे रखे हैं, कहीं से तो मार्क्स आने वाले हैं, बट इससे उसका क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, उसकी थिंकिंग एबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, उसका एटीट्यूड चेंज होगा, उसका लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इम्प्रूव होगा। दीज ऑल थिंग्स एज अ पेरेंट्स वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड। मतलब मार्क इज अ, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू टेक अ सेंटर, mark comes at circumference. If you
Impact.
attach to the center,
So-
definitely marks will follow you.
What I feel is that some educating parents program is a prerequisite.
Exactly.
So I make a appeal to all of us that at least we will encourage in our society some 10-15 group of parents that there is a workshop of madam and the charges will be as low as 100 rupees,
Right.
right? So we can conduct a workshop, at least 10-15 parents also come attend the workshop with their kids, so at least it will be promoted because it's a good thing.
Or
What-
otherwise, I would like to suggest that if we can couple it with the parents meeting, okay, because parents meeting nowadays people have the culture that I must go, either mama or papa, but somebody comes actually. So if you can have the parents meeting, जब होती
Parents
है,
orientation
हाँ,
program होते हैं।
हाँ, जब parents
Yes.
meeting होती है,
Last time we
तो-
were discussing with
हाँ,
this.
उसको अगर हम लोग उसको क्लब कर दें, उसको अगर उसको जुड़ा दें हम लोग, I think then that will be more effective.
Sir, there is one more angle to this. See, when parents say, for example, we are teaching English or we are saying science is already part of the school curriculum, why are you taking it separately?
Exactly.
So we have to explain the parents why, what is the difference between the school curriculum and this.
And
Then
see,
actually they say, okay, I am already spending so much money, 50,000, 60,000, whatever, and you are again, your school is again doing this, they charge that. So that is one thing which they have the right to ask, but we have to explain them what is the exact difference, how they will
being
learn from
science
these things.
teacher, I can tell you one thing, 95% schools में कहीं पे भी बच्चे साइंस के प्रैक्टिकल्स नहीं करते।
Right.
No, it's not allowed. क्योंकि there is a very big risk on science teacher कि अगर बच्चों ने लैब में कुछ मिस कर दिया, कुछ एक्सीडेंट हो गया, so teachers are what they are doing, demonstrate करते हैं या फिर explain करते हैं। मैंने बहुत से स्कूल में देखा है 95% स्कूल में कोई भी स्टूडेंट को साइंस प्रोजेक्ट या फिर प्रैक्टिकल्स करने नहीं दिया जाता अप टू 10th। एंड देन अगर वो 10th तक खत्म हो गया तो स्किल कब डेवलप होंगे? When there is a competitive exam 11th 12th में जाके are you going to develop their skills to handle apparatus, to do project, to do experiments? So this thing parents should know कि आपके स्कूल में आपके बच्चों को साइंस किस तरह से सिखाया जा रहा है। You should be aware.
And then see, like why schools don't have the, because they don't have the bandwidth. Like they have 60 or 50 students and then they have 1 hour or 2 hours. Like how much space the child will get to learn those things. So that is the gap which is there. I mean, the parents have to be.
We are not blaming schools in
Right.
that because 60 student, one teacher,
Yeah.
अगर किसी ने पिछले लेवल पे जाके कुछ मिस कर दिया, ग्लास apparatus फोड़ दिया, एसिड उठा दिया, what teacher is going to do? I am telling you, 95% स्कूल्स में बच्चों को लैब में लेके ही नहीं जाया जाता अप टू 8. टीचर कुछ स्टफ लेके आती है क्लासरूम में, शी इज शोइंग दिस इज दिस. इफ टीचर इज दैट enthusiastic, otherwise she will just explain and she will finish it up. So मतलब ये है कि पेरेंट्स को पता होना चाहिए why should I spend again. They should know कि because your kids are not getting that facility. Now we are starting, like we are thinking of, we will start coaching very specifically for Dr. Homi Bhabha Young Scientist exam, for science Olympiads, for maths Olympiads, where that logical thinking, scientific approach, scientific reasoning is required. So that is again one project which we will be starting very soon.
There are
I
12
think-
lectures you are giving na, in that. 12 lectures in a year demo.
This science lab the problems, but in case of maths there are no problems. So
In case of maths?
mathematics, that is something what you said. And now what has happened that people have got that kind of awareness that I should give the best to my work. Okay, so that is why you can focus on maths where these kind of problems may not be.
That's
So,
what I'm telling you.
हाँ.
Hands-on maths is very old concept.
Yeah.
ये बहुत पुराना concept है. Hands-on science से भी पुराना concept
Yeah.
है. And I'm telling you, जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल है ना, उनमें लाइक मैथ्स लैब की ऐसे कचरे की तरह पड़े. Teachers are not trained for it. They don't evaluate like that material. ऐसा ही लाके गवर्नमेंट ने भेज दिया, हमने डम कर दिया. Kind of things they are doing. So hands-on maths इससे भी पुराना है. Parents are not aware. Again, that's the problem.
No, but good that you have got good products and Sakar you have then you have taken the care of channels also Flipkart and Indian.com and all these
Yes,
things.
now we are doing it online as well. We are available on all social platforms. We call about India, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Everywhere you can find Sunday Science School. So we are giving them video support as well. The products which are not working properly, you can go on YouTube channel of Sunday Science School. You can see how products are assembled, how it's working. So like that again we are doing.
Thanks, madam.